Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the best strategy to sell faster on Jumia Nigeria. Please stay tuned. I started selling on Jumia since the year 2020, I think around April. I uploaded my products on Jumia platform and I was so expectant that immediately I'll start making sales as per the #1 e-commerce website in Nigeria. I was like very expectant, but after 1 week I didn't even make any sales and I was so worried. And when I was complaining, the spirit ministered to me that I should use this particular strategy, which I actually used, and boom, I started making sales, and up till now the strategy is still working. And one thing is, the strategy is something you already know, but you are not using it. You only use it at a particular period of time. So watch this video till the end. I'm going to tell you about just only one strategy, and you are going to sell faster on Jumia. This strategy is called the sales strategy. How do I mean? I mean, whenever you want to upload your products, always put it on sales. It gives buyers this illusion of the product is very cheap and expensive at the same time. I don't know if you understand. Just like you are selling a product 6,000 naira, and when you are uploading your products, you upload it 20,000 naira price and slash the price to 6,000 naira. Do you get it? So with this, when a buyer sees it and see that, oh, look at this product that is being sold 20,000 naira and now it's on sales and it's being sold 6,000 naira, wow, I'm going to buy it. Do you know one thing about buyers? It's what I mean by it gives them the illusion of the product is cheap and expensive at the same time. When they buy it, let's say a friend sees the product, sees them with that particular product, say, oh, how much did you get this thing? They would say, oh, I got it 6,000 naira on Jumia, but I was just lucky to see it at the particular time when it was on sale. It was being sold for 20,000 naira, so at the time I bought it, it was on sale and I got it for 6,000 naira. They will be like, wow, it's actually expensive and it looks nice and all that. So this is a strategy that I use and still using, and it makes one to sell faster. Have you noticed where someone is selling a product, or you see an advert on TV or social media and they are giving a 50% discount on a product that is being sold for 100,000 naira, and they will slash the price into half? They will be selling it for 50,000 naira. So what does that tell you? Do you think that the seller would be ready to lose a whole 50,000 naira on a particular product, on just one product? No, it is all a strategy. But buyers would not really think that way, because they feel maybe the seller loves their customers so much that they want to do a giveaway. So this should tell you that it's all a strategy, because people go into business to make money, not to lose money, right? So it's all a strategy. So implement this strategy and thank me later. So right now I'm going to go to Jumia Seller Center now to show you how you can put your products on sale. Go to your seller center, click products, then click manage products. Then from here, scroll left, then click edit details. So from here, click on product pricing. So you can just scroll left like this, then click on sale price. This product is 6,000 naira now, so you can change it. If the actual price you want to sell it is 6,000 naira, you can just put it 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira like this.
Then you can now put sales price as 6,000 naira. Then from here, set the date you want it to start. You can start from today. Then set the date you want it to end. You can just leave it till maybe March or April. Then you click on finish editing. So this is how to put your product on sale.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. At this point, kindly click on the subscribe button, like, drop comment, and also share this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.